There comes a point, a quiet point, where you realize no one is coming to do it for you. And that can feel scary, but it can also be the most powerful moment of your life, because that's when it clicks. You are the author of your own result. These next few weeks, they're not just about memorizing quotes or formulas or timelines. They're about training your mind to do what it's never had to do before. Focus with intention, work with urgency, believe without evidence. See, success in exams isn't about natural intelligence. It's about consistency when no one's clapping. It's about turning the volume down on doubt and choosing action over and over again. You're not lazy. You're not bad at revising. You just haven't been shown how to believe in your future with enough fire. So let me tell you this. Your future isn't written in your mocks. It's not locked inside what your teacher once said. It's wide open, waiting, asking, how bad do you want this? There are two versions of you that will walk into that exam hall. The one who wished and the one who worked. One will guess, one will know. One will panic, one will plan. You get to decide who shows up. Don't get caught chasing perfection. Chase progress. No one's asking you to know everything. They're asking you to show what you do know. To use every mark like it matters, because it does. You've got time. Maybe not as much as you wanted, but enough. Enough to revise one topic today. Enough to do one past paper. Enough to make your future self look back and say, I'm proud of the way I showed up for myself. And if you're tired, good. That means you're doing something. If you're overwhelmed, that means you care. And if you feel behind, that's just the perfect place for a comeback. Some of you are revising in noisy homes with little support. Some of you are working through anxiety, grief, or pressure to succeed. I see that. I honor that. You're already resilient. Now it's time to turn that resilience into power. This isn't just about grades. This is about proving to yourself that when it mattered, you stepped up. That when comfort whispered, you chose commitment. That when fear said, you can't, you said, watch me. So get up. Pick a subject. Pick a task. Set the timer and go. Because a few weeks from now, you'll wish you started today. You'll wish you believed harder, earlier. This is your moment. And if no one's told you this yet, you're capable. You're allowed to succeed. You deserve to feel proud of your own effort. The grades are the outcome, but this mindset, this work ethic, this decision to show up, this is what will change your life. Watch this every morning until your exams. Let it remind you of who you are and who you're becoming. If you need more tips, strategies, or just a voice that gets it, subscribe. You're not in this alone. Let's finish strong.